Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest device from Nokia in India, the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So Nokia 6.1 Plus is the same device which was launched in China as Nokia X6. So the global name for the X6 is the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So this device comes with really good hardware, and this should be competitively priced in India as well. So we are right now not sure about the pricing of this device, but I expect it to be around the 16 to 17k price segment. So it won't be more than that. That's what our gut feeling is. So this device we're going to unbox today. I will show you some of the features of this device. We'll show some of the camera samples we have taken with this device, and also the software options. So the Nokia 6.1 Plus is powered by Android One platform, very similar to the Nokia 7 Plus and the Xiaomi's Mi A2. So we have the box packing with us. So this is the box pack, and you can see the Nokia 6.1 Plus is mentioned, and Android One is also included. So this is the first smartphone from Nokia in India to come with a notch, and this device has really good hardware as well. So we're going to do the unboxing. So before we get starting with the unboxing, the box pack mentions the price as 17,600. That's the pricing mentioned here, but we expect this to be lower than the 17k, so probably 16,999 would be the expected pricing. Now coming to the back side of this device, we have the black variant. So it has a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. It is 19:9 aspect ratio. It has a primary 16 megapixel camera, f-stop 2.0 aperture, and a secondary 5 megapixel camera. Then we have 16 megapixel front camera, again with f-stop 2.0, and it also comes with advanced AI imaging included. Then there is dual sight mode, simultaneously front and rear camera storytelling with one-touch live streaming is included, and this is powered by the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 636 mobile platform, and it has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. So that's the box pack. You can see the Nokia 6.1 Plus mentioned, and Android One is also included. It has Android Oreo out of the box. So let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up, you can see the Nokia 6.1 Plus on the top. So just taking this out of the plastic case. So there you go. It looks really good. You can see that it has aluminum chassis, and this is finished in glass. It is really good in terms of the build quality. You can see that glass finishing. It is protected by Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and the back panel, and looks really good. You can see the chrome finishing on the sides of the camera and the fingerprint scanner. The Nokia branding and Android One branding is also mentioned at the back. So this device is made of glass and metal, and it looks really premium. Now the power and volume keys are on the right side. You can see the power and volume keys. The left side also the SIM tray. It has an SD card slot, but it is not a dedicated one, it's a hybrid one. On the top panel we have this 3.5mm audio jack, and at the bottom we have this USB Type-C port and the speaker unit. So that's the design aspect. So it looks really good in terms of the build quality. You can also see the Nokia branding at the bottom. So it has this notch included. You can also see the notch. Now let's boot this device. We'll show you some of the camera samples and the software features. So you can see that it is under Android One platform. Now inside the box you get this SIM ejector pin. Then taking this out, you have this information guide, and the warranty and information guide is included. Then let's see this box. This should come with the charger and other aspects. So we have the USB Type-C cable included, and then we also have the charger. So let's see the voltage rating of this charger. So it's 5 volt 2 amperes. So the charger is a pretty basic 10 watt charger. We'll confirm with the company whether the Indian variant has fast charging, so we'll have to check with them. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's a Nokia 6.1 Plus, and it has 5.8-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. The display quality as such looks really good. You can see that vibrant colors and great viewing angles, and the overall clarity looks really good. You can also see the notch, which houses the 16 megapixel camera, sensors and earpiece, and looks really good. Now the back panel of the device is really good. It has premium build glass finishing and the dual camera setup along with dual LED flash. Now looking at the software, you can see this comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So we have Android 8.1 Oreo. It's under the Android One platform, so this will be also getting the Android P probably this year. and otherwise this is more or less like the stock Android. You don't have any other additional options except for a couple of gestures included. You can see some gestures supported: jump to camera, lift to check phone, mute to call, and few other gestures are supported. So otherwise it's plain and stock Android. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this is a 16 megapixel camera. It is capable of taking some good shots. You can see the camera interface and UI is exactly the same as what we have seen on the Nokia 7 Plus. We have photo mode, live bokeh shot is included, manual mode is included, and if you go to settings, you can see some options to choose for taking photos. Now let's go to the video recording. So here if you go to settings, you can see the resolution supported. Video recording maximum is at Ultra HD 4K, and 1080p resolution is included. And mind you, this device also comes with electronic image stabilization. So we will be posting about the detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. So now let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So overall we feel this is definitely a good camera based on our first impression. So we'll be talking about the camera in detail, including the selfies, low light performance, and also the portrait mode in depth. So stay tuned for that video. The device also comes with 3060 mAh capacity battery. The battery capacity is slightly on the smaller side, but we are not sure about whether this device supports fast charging. We have to confirm with Nokia whether the Indian variant has fast charging, but the box charger is definitely not a fast charger, it's just the 10-watt charger. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Nokia 6.1 Plus or the Nokia X6. So overall this device looks really great in terms of the build quality, fit and finish. The glass and metal adds to the beauty of the device. Along with that, it has almost bezel-less like design with the notch, and the Android One experience makes it even more superior when compared to the other smartphones in this price segment. And also it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset, which is a really powerful chipset in this segment. We have seen this on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and also the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.